Whenever you are tired, exhausted, immediately pick up yourself, sit, close your eyes and observe the breath. In 10 minutes, you get back your energy and again you become like Hanuman, start flying. Get back your energy. You tell me, what is this Hanuman principle? You know what is Hanuman principle? Becoming Pavan Putra, becoming Breath Putra, becoming Swasa Putra. In Ramayana, Valmiki has given the formula of meditation. He said, Pavan Putra. You become. Start flying. You know. And Hanuman can get the whole mountain of health, Sanjeevani Parvata. A little meditation will give you a mountain of health. That is the meaning, symbolic meaning of that story. Understand? You are dwelling into the story, missing the main essence of the story, which is saying, hey guy, you become a meditator. You become the offspring of your own meditation, offspring of your own breath. Pavana Putra, Swasa Putra, Breath Putra. So, my dear, whenever you feel exhausted, immediately sit and close your eyes and observe your breath. In 5 minutes, 10 minutes, the whole battery will recharge. Again, you can start working for 24 hours.